Hello friends, in this video we will try to understand how machine learning uses the data to predict or to anticipate what will be the outcome for a given input. In this we will also try to understand the model. Since I won't be recording long videos, so I will be distributing the examples. There are 3 examples in 3 videos. Then I will discuss the model and then the benefits of machine learning. So let us begin. So, first of all, let us take an example in which we want to predict the marks on the basis of the hours of study. Suppose there is a student who studies for 21 hours, then he is getting 14 marks. If he studies for 18 hours, he is getting 17 marks. If some student is studying for 16 hours, he is getting 18 marks. Like this, for 4 hours, 3 marks, 6 hours, 4 marks, 11 hours, 10 marks. Like this, there is a data. Now we want to estimate that if a student is studying for 17 hours, then what will be the score that he will be getting. Now one way of doing it is that on the basis of the neighbors of the 17-hour study. So 16 is a neighbor of 17 hours study, 18 is a neighbor of 17 hours study. So 16-hour student is getting 18 marks, 18-hour student is getting 17 marks. So what we do, we calculate the average of the two, 18 plus 17 upon 2, and therefore we conclude that the student will get the 17.7 marks. Now this scheme of finding out how much marks the student will get for given hours invested, this is based on the k nearest neighbor method. This is a very simplified version of the algorithm that is being discussed here. There are a lot of things, lot of parameters that need to be tuned in a k nearest neighbor algorithm. But I hope this is clear that we are trying to predict on the basis of the value that the neighbors are having, and therefore this is the k nearest neighbor method. So similarly in machine learning, the algorithm that you are taking up for solving the problem, it will try to predict on the basis of the neighbors or on the basis of the other values. In the subsequent examples, I will be discussing other cases. Do watch the videos till the end and hope you enjoy the journey of learning machine learning with Dr. Himani Mittal. Thank you.